Hello and welcome to Don't Come Monday. If you've ever had a day at work that's made you question your career future, then you're in the right place. Every day, people leave their old lives for the satisfaction of owning a franchise. And with over 800 different franchise systems operating in Australia, there are plenty of businesses to choose from. Perhaps one of these could be your destiny.
Everybody loves their houses and cars. My business adds value to both. After the break, I'll tell you what my business is.
Jock Dean loves his sport. He swims nearly every day, coaches his son's basketball team, and even has time for a round of golf. Since buying a Mr. Carports franchise, Jock has plenty of time for the things he loves. And the benefits don't end there.
Being my own boss means I never have to wear this again. Thank you very much.
For years, Jock worked long hours for someone else, and it took a toll on his family.
In my previous job, I was spending too much time away from my family, so I looked for an opportunity to bring my family back together.
Mr. Carports is one of Australia's leading home improvement companies. It was exactly the type of business Jock was looking for.
Good morning, Jodie.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm Jock Dean from Mr. Carports.
Lovely to meet you.
That's my card.
Thank you very much.
I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to run my own business. I believe I've got the character and the attitude and the abilities to do that because I'd learned how to sell, which I thought I couldn't do.
Franchisees are given plenty of training and support, plus a unique computer program system that makes quoting for a job easy.
Okay, Jodie, what we do now is once we've got the dimensions of the structure, is I just fire up the Mr. Carports program and it actually calculates all the beams for me and then produces you a drawing of that. I can give them the quotation on the spot. I can actually sit there with the computer and knowing full well that when I've walked away from that customer, I've got every nut, bolt, screw and beam already identified and engineered.
And what about applying for council to get approvals and so forth?
I do all that for you. That's included in the price. You don't have to do a thing. All you have to do is pay a deposit and then a payment when the job's done. I'm very much of a people person. I love meeting people and I love talking to people, finding out where they're from, what they're doing. What it does, it helps me build a picture of them and what they actually really want. In the long term, what I do is I say, whatever you do here, it's adding value to your house. Let's do it the right way.
That's fabulous. Fantastic.
Thanks, Jodie. And look, thanks for the cup of coffee and the biscuits. Oh, I don't need the
biscuits. Pleasure's all mine. Whipped them up last night just for you, I'm sure.
Sure. Thanks, Jodie.
No worries. Thanks, Jock. See you.
Business for Mr. Carports has grown so much, they now offer a whole lot more than what their name suggests. Leading the company's extraordinary growth is founder Brian Rohan.
We started in the early 90s. I could see an opportunity to build a carport business in those days, hence the name Mr. Carports. But over the years we've developed systems and we've got much better at what we do, so we're now able to build verandas and pergolas and decks. And I guess we must be doing something right because we've expanded pretty well throughout Australia now. We've got 30 franchisees. They're all intelligent, capable people, and I guess they come from a variety of backgrounds. We've got butchers and bakers and bank managers, but generally they've got to have a desire to talk to people and to be able to deal well with people.
Almost finished. Yeah, just put on this last flashing here and yeah, the job's done.
Well, Jock's particularly successful. He's got a great personality. He gets on very well with customers. He's got some great design capabilities. He's able to design beautiful work such as this. And he's got I guess he really enjoys what he does, as we all do. But Jock's just very, very good at it. When I started this business, my first turnover was around about $200,000 a year. I've built that up to nearly $1 million a year in turnover. That has enabled me to have quite a good profit. I've been able to put money into super, live the lifestyle I like to do, go on holidays, let's say on a cruise, which I took my wife on last year. All things like that which I couldn't have done had I not done this business.
Looking to improve your career prospects? Mr. Carports has you covered. Check out their website, mrcarports.com.au, or phone 0411 416 406.
It's satisfaction guaranteed.
Ready to step out and up in the business stakes? Your very own franchise could be just a phone call away. We'll see you next time.